Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and we are checking out Huawei's new MediaPad M5 Pro. This is the 10.8-inch model, comes with a 2K resolution display and also boasts quad stereo speakers from Harman Kardon. Now this particular tablet converts to a full PC experience, basically a 2-in-1 thanks to the keyboard cover. Also comes with the new M Pen, which supports 4096 levels of pressure intensity. Now, one of the interesting highlights of this particular tablet is the fact that it converts to desktop mode as soon as you dock it into the keyboard cover. The other specs include Kirin 960 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB storage, Android Oreo and a 7500 mAh battery. At the front you get an 8 megapixel camera and at the rear a 13 megapixel sensor. So there you go guys, this was your first look at Huawei's new MediaPad M5 Pro, launched right here at MWC 2018. Thanks for watching.